Hey pool owners, it's Rob with Inyo Pools. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Maytronics Dolphin Explorer E30. It's an in-ground robotic cleaner designed for pools up to 40 feet long, and it can be used on all types of surfaces including fiberglass, vinyl, and gunite. So let's take a look at some of the features. The E30 comes with a 59-foot floating cable with a swivel. It also comes with a power supply that has a built-in timer. So you can set this power supply to turn the cleaner on once a week, 3 times a week, or 4 times a week. And the cleaning cycle on this is 2 hours. So if you turn it on, it'll run for 2 hours and shut itself off. The E30 filter can be easily accessed from the top here. It comes packaged with this leaf canister, which is really good for small leaves, grass clippings, other debris like that. If you have a lot of fine sediment, you might want to get this optional ultra fine cartridge assembly, and we'll link that in the description of this video. This cleaner has a 24-month warranty. It covers manufacturer defects. It doesn't cover normal wear and tear things like on the tracks or the brushes. But with that said, let's go ahead and get this thing in the pool and test it out. Okay, we've got the power supply plugged into an outlet at least 12 feet away from the pool. And I got the cable from the cleaner plugged into the power supply. I'm gonna go ahead and put the cleaner in the pool. This cleaner weighs about 16 pounds. We'll go ahead and turn it on. The cleaner is now moving around. It's starting its 2-hour cycle. My pool's only 14 by 28, so it probably won't take it long to clean my pool. You can see quite a bit of grass clippings and leaves in the pool. Okay, so the E30 ran its 2-hour cycle and turned itself off. The entire pool floor is clean, and it only took about 20 minutes really for it to clean everything off the bottom, but I just kept it going. So let's go ahead and pull it up and see what's in there. When you pull the cleaner out, you want to pull it by the cord up to the surface. Once it gets there, you want to grab it by the handle. You don't want to pull it up by the cord. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look inside. And this is everything it caught. A bunch of grass clippings, leaves, hair. It actually did pretty good at catching smaller things. Okay, to wrap it up, I'm really impressed with this cleaner. You know, it went from the deep end to the shallow end, back and forth really quick. Climbed the walls pretty consistently. And whenever it got to the top of the tile line, water would shoot out of this jet and it would pivot horizontally and scrub the tile line. It would move like 2 to 3 feet. So it did a great job. If you're debating between this one or the E20 model, this is definitely a better cleaner. And if you're between 32 and 40 feet long at the pool size, you know, I would definitely get this one. But even if you're under 32 feet and it's in your budget, I would go with the E30. But if you have any questions about this cleaner or any other pool or spa product, visit us over at inyopools.com. Thanks for watching.